Samsung is preparing to debut two new phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, during a Samsung Unpacked event on July 10, 2024. Even though the official launch is still a few weeks away, several retailers are already showing the phones on their websites. These review listings provide us with a clear picture of what the new foldable phones will look like in various colors and from different angles. According to Win Future, an Australian retailer named Harvey Norman has put up product pages too early for the Fold 6 and Flip 6. These sites are expected to be pulled down shortly, but screenshots have been recorded to safeguard the information for the future. Let's look deeper at the listings. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 listings were identified for silver, navy, and pink hues, each with distinct storage choices and prices in Australia. But first, let's talk about the design. The images suggest that the two new smartphones with foldable displays will have a design similar to the S24 series, with fewer rounded corners and a more angular shape, particularly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung is changing the design to mimic the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Both new foldable smartphones have an external display, but the Flip variant remains the same screen as its previous version. What's new is a more colorful cover. Samsung is offering a yellow version of the Z Flip 6 for the first time, and the Z Fold 6 is now available in pink as well. Let's now talk about storage alternatives and prices. 256 gigs of storage for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, $2,749 Australian dollars, which is equivalent to $1,820, 8 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage, $2,949 Australian dollars, which is equivalent to $1,955, and $3,299 Australian dollars, which is equivalent to $2,185. There are no listings for a larger 2TB storage option, and we couldn't discover information regarding the RAM for the 256 gigs type. It's likely that the 2TB version does not exist or will not be marketed in Australia. The description does not disclose exact specs, but it does indicate that the phone features Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front screen and Armor aluminum on the frame and hinge cover. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.